How to change Instagram username is the topic of today's video. If you're ready for this video, please go and consider subscribing down below. I really do appreciate it, and smash the like button. So essentially today, I'm going to be showing you how to go and change your username. It's super easy. Let's jump into Instagram. So changing your username is the one at the top, the one to the left, which is just below it, below your profile picture. That's essentially just your name. So let's go and change this. So a lot of people think you have to go and click these three lines here, go into settings and account, but it's a lot more straightforward than that. All you got to do is click edit profile, and then down here you can literally go and click edit username, and then you can go and you can either click the X here or you can just minus it like this, and then you can go and type in what you want. Now obviously some usernames will be taken, so say if you wanted just tutorial would be quite a cool username, that is taken and I can't get that. It will say this username isn't available, please try another. So you can literally go and enter anything, so maybe like TutorialTucker example I could get if I wanted to, and then it will change it, and it may need to refresh, and there you go. I've now got the username. It's that easy, but I'm going to change it back. So you can go and change it back by clicking settings, and then not settings, click edit profile, and then go and put it back to what it was before. Obviously they can get taken as well, so I've had it before. I've changed my username and then my old one was taken before I could get it back, so that can happen sometimes, but it's pretty unusual. But yeah, that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you have, go down below and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. I look forward to catching you in the next one. Peace out.